SDK.finance. In this video, we'll walk through how to manage one-time password settings within the application interface. It is possible to manage the OTP settings on both the global level and the user level via the UI. To do this, you need to log in as a service user with the appropriate permission to view and manage OTP settings, for example, as an administrator. Once you are logged in, open the OTP settings page. On this page, you'll see a list of all sensitive operations and whether OTP confirmation is enabled or disabled for each operation. You can enable or disable OTP confirmation for selected operations by changing the state of the toggle. Once you've made your changes, click the Apply Changes button to save your modifications. It is also possible to manage OTP settings on the user level for specific users. To do this, go to the Clients page, select the user whose settings you want to change, and open the OTP Settings tab in the Client Profile page. There, you will see the same list of operations as on the Global OTP Settings page. You can manage the settings for this specific user just like we did on the global level. Please note, for OTP confirmation to be requested, OTP must be enabled on both the user level and the global level. If it is enabled at one level but disabled at the other, OTP confirmation will not be requested for the operation, and it will be performed without it. The user is also able to choose their preferred method for receiving OTP codes for operation confirmation. For example, the user might choose to receive OTPs only by email, only by phone number, or by both email and phone number. If both of these options are disabled, the system will try to send the OTP code to the phone number first. If the phone number is not available, it will fall back to sending the OTP to the email address specified in the user profile.